Simple machine. Sometimes we find it difficult to do certain work with our hands, so we use tools or machines to make our work easier and it requires less energy. Simple machines are devices that make doing work easier and faster by using less effort for more work. They have few or no moving parts. There are six types of simple machine. They are lever, pulley, wheel and axle, inclined plate, screw, and wedge. Lever is a long and rigged bar that rests on a fixed point called fulcrum, which lifts or moves loads. A lever is usually a long machine that is put under an object to lift it. Levers are used in our everyday lives and are all around us. Examples of lever include door handles, bottle openers, and crowbars. A lever has three main components: effort, load, fulcrum. Effort, it is the force that a user applies on the lever. Load, it is the weight of the body on which the work is to be done. Fulcrum, it is the fixed point about which the levers moves freely to do the required work. Levers are of three kinds based on the position of load, effort, and fulcrum. Class 1 lever. In Class 1 lever, the fulcrum is between the load and effort. Few examples of Class 1 levers are seesaw, scissors, pliers, crowbar, and catapult. Class 2 rivers. In Class 2 rivers, the river is placed in between the fulcrum and the effort. Some of the Class 2 levers in daily use are wheelbarrow, nutcracker, bottle opener. Class 3 lever. In Class 3 lever, the effort is applied in the between the load and the fulcrum. Some examples are fishing rod, twings, tweezers, forceps, and proofs. Pulley. A pulley makes lifting or of loads much easier. It is provided with a rope or chain that can move things up and down, back or forth. An elevator is an example of fixed pulley. An example of pulley. Pulley are of two types: fixed pulley and movable pulley. Fixed pulley. A pulley that remains fixed to a position is known as fixed pulley. This type of pulley does not reduce or increase the force applied. It only changes the direction of the force. A flag post is an example of fixed pulley. Movable pulley. At times, we need to lift very heavy loads, much higher than our own weight. For example, lifting of a car and cargo. For lifting such loads, the fixed pulley are not enough as they do not reduce the effort. So here we make use of movable pulley. A movable pulley is the pulley that moves with the load. Wheel and an axle. Wheel and an axle is a simple machine with a wheel and an axle or a rod that allows the wheel to be turned. Example of the wheel and axle include bicycle, electric fans, revolving doors, doorknobs, and merry-go-round. Wheel and axle is also used for drawing water from the wells. Inclined plane. Inclined plane is a ramp, and in an inclined plane, one end is leveled higher than the other so that to allow objects to move from a lower place to a higher place or vice versa. When you move objects over an inclined plane, you would use less energy or force, thus making the work of moving things easier. The best example of an inclined plane is the slide that children play on. Screw. A screw is a modified inclined plane that travels in a circle around a central point. A screw can raise weights or it can press or fasten objects. A screw can be tightened to hold objects together with the help of a screwdriver. Wedge. A wedge is an inclined plane where the pointed edges are used to do work. Examples of wedge include shovel, knives, axe, needle, etc. Thank you.